Hello YouTube. Let's learn how to grab domain information out there. So we're not using some kind of website out there, we are writing our own script, or at least we're gonna see what can we put into script. Why am I saying this? Because we're gonna use Python WHOIS model, and author of that model, we must say that because it's nice, is Richard Penman or Pinman. So I don't know what's the correct way of saying that, correct me on that one. And there is a really lot of information you can grab from for many TLDs, okay, top level domains. So let's say that we want to use it right now. Let me restart shell. That we want to use it, and you will not say something like import Python WHOIS. That will not work, okay. It will also not work right now import WHOIS because we don't have a module installed. So let's install it. cmd and pip install. So please note, when you are importing it, you will use import WHOIS, but when you are installing it, you will say pip install Python WHOIS. And that's about it. So we have our module installed, and then let's import it. Nice. So let's just print what we have when we type WHOIS. So that's cool, everything is fine. Okay, so now what? How to get information about some domain? Just type this WHOIS, so you're calling module and this command, and now you need to pass it some kind of target. In this case, let's say that will be Google, and you have bunch of results. Now you will probably say, well, how to list that, and you will say, can we use some kind of law for that? For example, for loop for x in WHOIS Google, and don't worry, we will put that into target variable. I'm just playing around here. So print that specific x, and then what will happen? Well, that means that you will see what kind of details you can extract. So this is just a bulk report, everything packed pretty much, and this is what we can export individually. So let's first put this into some kind of results. So we will get those results when we use WHOIS and Google as target. Oops, there is no need for dot here. So cool. And when you say for x in results, also print x, you will get that individual listing. So let's say that we want to extract, for example, our WHOIS server, so who is providing us here. So print, or we don't need to say print, let's say results, because this is what we are working with right now, see, from here. So results, WHOIS server, which is working for us, mark monitor. Okay, so let's grab that website from internet because it's kind of nice to know with who you are dealing with, and apparently they are really big. A clarified analytic company. Well, some metadata thing, as you can see, and if you go to list of their partners from home page, of course, somewhere around here, yeah, our partners, you will see that they work with really big names like YouTube and eBay and stuff. They have all kind of really serious connections to serious organizations that take care about internet. And of course, as you can guess, they work with governments and agencies and law enforcement services. So that's cool. They are big, and you can rely on them that they will do their job really good. Okay, so what now? So let's check creation date, for example, for Google. Results, creation date. Okay, So it's kind of messy, but still we can see what is happening here. So let's use for loop here for x in that print x, and we will get a little bit nicer result. So yes, in 0 4 hours they are created. Nice stuff. Nice long history of success, you can bet. What's also interesting, expiration date. So let's see how Google thinks in advance. Well, at least how they can reasonably protect their name. What was it, expiration date? And you know, some people think that, what am I doing? Yeah, some people think that they can just go out and grab some domain when it is expired. That's really a stupid way to think about big companies. I mean, maybe those people can be successful with some small websites and companies out there, but still many companies, even smallest one, are legally protected in many countries, in this sense that you can not just go out and when the domain is expired you're trying to get it. So that's stupid way to think about business. It's not good business practice. Anyway, so yeah, name servers. Let's go to status to see what's going on here. So results, status. Oh yeah, a lot of things is prohibited here. So let's use for loop for x in results. We will print that. See, so Google is really protected. Yeah, that's about it. 7 minutes tutorial. So let's actually change our results to, for example, Google. Sorry, Yahoo. Let's say what they have to say. Okay, nice. And let's copy paste this really quickly, and they're also very well defended. So what else we can grab? For example, address of Yahoo. I mean, we are just playing around. So print results address. Everyone knows about them, that's for sure. So anyway, I don't want to go into length, and in next tutorial we're going to create actual script. So we are not working a shell, we'll just create script and extract all important data about some target out there. So anyway, thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.